my chainsaw. It is a Husqvarna 460 Rancher. It came with a, what the hell did it come with? I think it came with a 20, okay, I got a 22-inch bar on there. I believe it came with, I went down a size on the bar. But I wanted to have a saw powerful enough to get the job done, but I didn't need that big of a bar. And that's a buddy of mine gave me that tip. He said, buy one that's rated for a bar bigger than what you need, and then put the bar that you need on it. I am doing my spring maintenance. I forgot to do it, or I was too lazy to do it, one or the other. I've actually been cutting for a while now, and it just started bogging. That's plugged up. I don't recommend you blow on fuel filters like that. Probably super poisonous. Good. Thought it was going to come open easy, but not a chance. Okay, this is their maintenance kit, which is kind of convenient. Got a new fuel filter. So I try to do this every spring. Pop a new fuel filter on. And then I also noticed when I was looking at this that I'm missing 2 of the cover screws here. So I bought a new set of 4 screws, and they sent me 4 individually packed screws, which was nice of them. So I'm going to replace the 2 that are missing. And save the other 2. I have no idea when they dropped out or where. I'm usually super prepared. Last year I took this thing completely apart and cleaned the hell out of it, but I don't plan to do that this year. I might do it in the fall. I was pretty rushed last fall building the run-in and stuff. This thing might need a little bit of a carb tune-up as well. Oh, see, these are loose as well. When I cleaned it the last time, I'll bet I didn't tighten it all the way down. I don't know, those look like they're Torx end on them as well. Okay, so with that being done, a lot of the more modern saws have clips on the side, quick release clips, so you can get under the hood a bit quicker. But I've had this saw for a few years. Not that it's ancient, but the newer saws are a bit different, a bit easier to work with. And there it is. It certainly looks pretty clean, but I'll replace it anyways. And I'll take that plug out. See what that looks like. We'll grab a plug wrench. Well, looks like I gotta use the, holy crap. I had it right there. I was gonna use the one that came with it. Not sure what size it is. Let me look. It's a 3/4. How about that? Well, there it is. Easy peasy. Don't look too bad. Get it on with these screws hanging out. There we go. Yeah, I believe I have 19 trees down this year. They're all right around the same size, maybe 10 inches or so. And I counted the rings and they're all, well, not all of them, but the ones I counted are all right in the 35-year range. Okay, that does it. That's my little spring maintenance. I'm gonna give the chain a little bit of sharpening and cut some trees down after the big storm. So I'll stop back shortly and I'll show you some land clearing.